Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, welcome to Wednesday, and we're going to continue to stay hot and humid. A heat advisory is in effect for only the Keys today, but over the next few days we may see more heat advisories issued. Afternoon storms each and every day, you know the drill, and then tracking Francine and 2 waves out in the Atlantic. Looking at our next weather radar network, you'll notice that there are just a few showers for us, but if you're headed up to Palm Beach, wow, it is a mess. For example, Point Beach as well as Lake Worth, West Palm Beach right now dealing with some downpours. You'll notice some showers around Ocean Reef, the Upper Keys around Key Largo and Isla Mirada, and you will need the umbrella. Put it in the back seat of the car. Keep it somewhere close at arm's length because although this morning it's relatively quiet, notice as we head into later today around 10 a.m. we'll start to see some showers popping up, but then even more rain expected around 11 a.m. noon. In fact, scattered to widespread storms will likely develop heading into the afternoon for pickup time and in through the evening rush. A heat advisory is in effect, but only for the Keys today, since we do have rain to help us out in Broward and Dade. So for the Keys until 7 p.m., it could feel like up to 110 degrees. Right now, we are feeling like 89 in Miami, 88 in Fort Lauderdale, and we're just kind of stuck in this very moist and unsettled atmosphere. So stormy pattern continuing with the potential for these afternoon storms every day with localized flooding. And as we get into Sunday, though, dry air will begin to filter in, and that will begin to lower our rain chances. In the tropics, we have Hurricane Francine here in the Gulf of Mexico approaching the Louisiana coastline and already bringing some nasty weather there with max sustained winds of 90 miles per hour. It is expected to become a Cat 2 before making landfall sometime this afternoon or evening here along the Louisiana coast, then lifting northward through Mississippi, becoming a tropical storm as we head into either late tonight or tomorrow morning, and then eventually becoming a depression by tomorrow afternoon. So here's a look at Hurricane Francine. We have this disturbance with the 30% chance of development that we're really not too worried about. Behind it, though, there is this wave in the eastern Atlantic that has a high chance of becoming our next named system. You'll notice, though, that it is forecast to move west-northwest and likely will be lifting then north and eventually northeast. So, of course, we'll continue to monitor it. But tomorrow, it's all about the Fins here on CBS Miami. The game kicking off at 8:15, but if you're headed out to Hard Rock Stadium a little earlier, yes, there could be some scattered storms, but then the rain chance will begin to diminish. Of course, you can watch the game right here as we head into the weekend. Rain chances staying at 50% through Saturday, 40% Sunday through early next week. Welcome to Wednesday, and it is a warm, steamy start. Already feels like the upper 80s, and we are dry in Broward and Dade. A few showers across the Upper Keys, but keep the umbrellas handy as we'll see scattered to numerous storms developing right around midday through the afternoon. We pick up the kids from school. Evening rush looking like a hot mess, very soggy with the potential for downpours and flooding today as the rain chance is going to be higher. And we'll see a 50% chance of storms here the next 2 days all the way through Saturday, and the rain chance goes down a little bit by Sunday.